And guys, we're doing it again. What are you playing? You know it. Balloons. Yeah. I just don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna do this. And I'm gonna show you the best technique right now that you could do to win a lot of games. I mean, or if you want to say it easily, you could say farming some monkey money. Yeah, and I love monkey money. Who doesn't love monkey money? I don't know, but I love it. Yeah. Okay. And I'm not using any heroes right now. And 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 I'm actually using this technique right now because I'm gonna save up for the map editor, and I'm poor, but it's kind of good. Okay, start with the map you didn't use before, like wait. Scrapyard. I'm gonna do hard mode standard. It's very easy though. And what is up with that ping pong? Okay. I mean boom boom ball. Okay. So if you have have Bomber Ace, and if you have Wing Monkey, you're good. I mean, with Free Jordan Monkey, I love Free Jordan Monkey because Bob. Who doesn't like Bob? Not me. I'm gonna put Bob over here so I could get money with Bob and save up for Mr. Monkey Plane. Because Mr. Monkey Plane is good. And at first, I hate Bomber Ace. Until now, I love. What is up with the screen? Okay, I love Bomber Ace now. Get that balloon!
Oh my god!
What was that? Okay. I don't care about that little. Well, my brother just came up to the door. That's weird. Balloons are leaking? Yeah, the machine. The boom boom ball sounds. I'm gonna put this like right over here. I think it's a bad spot. Wait, what? Okay. Exploding pineapple wind monkey. I know you hate them. I mean, people hate them. But now, I love it very much. And I actually love it very much. It's, okay, I love it. Okay, Skyplane and Bomber Race, and then you just repeat that. Yeah. The Muncher Machine. Yeah, if you didn't know, the blue machine thing, when it's blue, you could, when it's blue, you could press the button and then it starts to munch up the balloons, and it had a lot of cooldown. So yeah, I should edit it because, 4 minutes now in round 10. How much? Ooh, Bomber Ace. Now we got Bomber Ace. We save up for another plane. Yeah, when you're in danger like a lot, use the Muncher Machine though. I'm calling it that for now. Now I got it. I'm gonna put it like, can I fit? No. Oh wait. I can put it here. Wing monkey. if you love Wing Monkey, you need to subscribe because I think it's the best monkey nose. Okay, I'm just kidding. Oh, what was that? Xing Shang, Wang Shang Li. Uh-oh, I think they're gonna do some.
We'll bring the book.
Okay. That was weird. I'll just numbers right now. Ooh, camo. I don't care about camo. We could beat it easily too. Let's put down another guy. Another guy would be over here. I want monkey names right now. Wing monkey. Whoa. The ball. Okay. I should probably edit it. I got it. Let's just stay for another one. Well, now you just know what you gotta do. Just keep placing them, right? So that's just the end of the video. I'm just teaching you how, and just repeat this. And the dart monkey, don't upgrade anything. Just have a 000 dart monkey and a lot of this stuff. Yeah, I think the video is gonna end in like 3 seconds. Yeah.